escaping danger, understanding, head for the hills. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in movies, books, or even in everyday conversations. Head for the hills. We'll dive into what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your own conversations. So, let's get started and unlock another piece of the English language puzzle together. When someone says, head for the hills, they're using an idiomatic expression that means to escape or flee to a safer place. It's often used in situations where there's imminent danger or trouble, suggesting that going to the hills, or higher ground, is a way to avoid harm. This phrase can be used both literally, such as running to higher ground during a flood, and figuratively, to suggest avoiding a problematic situation. The origin of head for the hills isn't precisely documented, but it's believed to stem from historical practices. In times of danger, people would literally head for the hills or mountains to escape threats like enemy invasions or natural disasters. Hills were seen as safe havens, providing a strategic advantage and protection. This phrase encapsulates a time-tested strategy for survival, echoing through the ages into the language we use today. Head for the hills can be used in various contexts, both serious and humorous. Here are a few examples to illustrate its versatility. In a warning, if you see that angry bull coming your way, you'd better head for the hills. In advice, when you see trouble brewing in the office, sometimes it's best to just head for the hills. In humor, my mom found out we ate the last of her favorite cake. Time to head for the hills. Understanding the context in which it's used is key to applying this expression effectively in your own conversations. And there you have it. Head for the hills is a colorful expression that adds depth to the English language, encapsulating the idea of seeking safety in times of danger. We hope this exploration helps you better understand and use this phrase in your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is an adventure. Sometimes, you just have to head for the hills and discover what lies beyond. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more exciting English language tips.